But one thing I can say is your hair will do what your hair does. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am getting ready to style my hair for today. And as I stated in a previous video, I have added the Mofajang hair material to my Sisterlocks once more. Before the completion of this video, or really getting started, I wanted you to know how much I appreciate you subscribers and all that you do to support this channel. I really appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do. Join the Gene G family. There's an open invitation for you to join 24/7. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. I am not going to keep you very long as I take these braids out of my hair. I am right now in Florida during the midst of a tropical storm warning. It's been a lot of raining, so we've been inside enjoying each other as family. I'm going to show you a bit of what we'll be doing today. I think I said in a previous video that when I am using this Mofajang hair material, it appears that my hair is thicker. And I like that, but I think that's over time and not at the initial application of the product. So I'll see how it goes and how long that will take. I will share some of my day with you, but I just wanted to come and do the introduction to this video. I don't have the ideal place to show you what I'm doing, but I'm doing the best I can right now. We have a lot of people in here. As a family, we like spending time together. So last night, there was people sleeping on the couch. My husband and I did have a bedroom. And I don't think that this time there was anyone sleeping on the floor. But there has been moments or times like that as well. But we don't mind because we're together enjoying each other. And we really love it. There's some people that are at hotels, but they're coming over because today we're going to a brunch to celebrate the retirement of my niece. I am so happy for her. So happy. And now I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up and finish taking these braids out. And now I'm finished taking down the braids, and I want you to stop and think, what is she going to do next? Now that I've given you time to think, you should already know that I am going to flip this side of my hair over to this side. And if you've not watched my previous videos, you may not know why I do this, but it's for a fuller look. And I know some people says it does not happen for them. But one thing I can say is your hair will do what your hair does. We don't all have the same kind of hair. Our locks are not the same, and we will not always get the same results. Thank you for watching. This is the sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. He keeps blessing me. He shows up when I need him. He said he'll never leave me or forsake me. It is times when I feel weak that he makes me strong. He shows up in my life. And I am so grateful to him. And I'm grateful for you as well. Let's take a 360 and then I'll show you some events from my day. I have to do that again. You guys can't really do a 360. I'm sitting on a couch. Have a great day. Hi, everybody. I don't even have to take out my phone. I have assistants. And we will be seeing you later.
So we're gonna ask everybody to stand and cheers. It's an honor and a privilege to welcome all of you today. The occasion of retirement brunch for dearly beloved Kathy Harrison. Kathy is educated, she's dedicated, and she's sophisticated. As Kathy traveled the long...
A follow-up to that, this one says, Danica and Shaniqua always said that you are the meanest cousins they have when they were kids.
Well, I know it came from one or two people.
Okay, which one?
Yeah, one of them laughing right now. I was a 9-year-old cousin that started babysitting everybody.
Ooh.
So I had to be
You gotta
hard,
put your foot
you know?
down. Yeah.
You know, kids gotta learn, right? So, I don't know which one, but Fred and Hattie, raise your hand. Raise your hand. If they're kids that said it, so one of them wrong.
Thank you for asking. I could just steer it. Sorry.
So you can see the number.
Don't put it in your face. Look at the camera.
Thank you.
You can't run the spirit water running. What's that for? What?
I said to Kathy, girl, they're acting like Thomas. She's not going to stop loving you. She's not going to stop caring for you. She won't be there on Sunday singing in your choir. Well, she may not be in your office. She may not stop by your house as often to bring you things that you may need and want, but she will continue to love and care for you. And for those who want to reach out to her, you should have her cell phone number. She's on Instagram. She's on Facebook. So don't neglect her, because she would not neglect you. And I just could not leave this place and not make sure that my niece, who is giving me the title of her what? Now y'all know. I just God-given woman of God, wonderful wife, exceptional mother,
She alright.
marvelous sister, extremely loving niece. Go ahead.
Fantastic auntie.
Fun, fantastic auntie. Anything else y'all want to say?
Spectacular.
She said something about arts and crafts. Marvelous space partner.
Excellent cake icer. Hurry.
Wonderful daughter.
Hurry, mommy. Excellent cake icer.
The what? The singer soprano. The only soprano. So she is the soprano in the choir. And she's Heyward did a wonderful job with this. She's laying on the floor and writing. I saw it myself. That's my godchild. I know. Girl.